Happy Friday morning, folks. First day of the month, April 1st. We're ready to roll, and we've got the big March jobs report due out in about 15 minutes from now. Expectation is that there were roughly 500,000, so 500,000 jobs created. Now this compared to the 700,000 jobs created the previous month. So still looking for some continued strength in that jobs market. And we saw that on Wednesday with that private payroll report coming out better than expected at 455,000 private jobs created. Now, looking at the markets heading into that, been very quiet session. We are seeing the broader indices trade up. So Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, all trading higher by about 0.5% FX, we're seeing a continuation of some dollar strength we've seen over the past, let's call it 48 hours. And oil, again, yesterday, big news with President Biden announcing that they are going to start releasing 1 million barrels of oil a day from the strategic reserve, which is just a historic undertaking in an effort to try and bring gasoline prices down. So we're seeing crude oil down again this morning by 1.5%, trading at 98 or just over $98 a barrel in WTI. So a lot on the docket for today. Again, we got the big payroll number coming out here momentarily. We've got a couple Fed governors speaking today. We've got some other data points today. It's going to be a busy Friday. Let's finish the week strong. Let's start the month strong. Everybody have a great weekend. I'll see you again on Monday morning.